Maria. You're very welcome to CUAN. Come on in. My name is Maria Brady. I'm the coordinator here in CUAN. We are a cancer support centre based in Cavan town. We look after everyone in Cavan County and surrounding counties. So we're a cancer support centre. We have counselling for adults and teenagers, a child play therapist and a range of complementary therapies. So if you are going through a cancer journey, a family member or a carer are looking for some support, CUAN is the place for you to be. So a lot of people suffer with side effects after certain cancer treatments, and we have a lot of our therapies brought in to kind of deal with those symptoms. We have nutritional advice here. We have a biokinesiologist and a nutritional therapist. We have a specialist service for people that are suffering with lymphedema after cancer treatments, and we also have a financial care coaching service here, which many people find really beneficial, especially at the beginning of cancer diagnosis. There's an accountant here that will sit with you one-to-one and speak to you about your personal situation. She will go through any entitlements and supports that will be available to you and help with the paperwork and the form filling of this. This is our treatment room. As you can see, it's quite relaxing and people enjoy coming in here for some reflexology, oncology massage, some Reiki. We have Indian head massage, aromatherapy massage and acupuncture. This is our counselling room in here. We have two counsellors, a male and a female, so people can choose whether they're more comfortable having someone male to work with or female. In here is the hub of the house. As you can see, it's really homely. There's always plenty of people sitting around the kitchen table having chats. We have fresh scones most days and a cup of tea. And it's just a really nice comfortable area that people enjoy coming in. We have a drop-in centre Monday to Friday, so people are always welcome just to drop in for a little chat. So this is our playroom, and recently developed our children and teenager services. So we have a play therapist and an adolescent counsellor that will work individually with children going through cancer and those who have a family member with cancer at home. So reach out to CUAN at any stage, if it's the early detection stage or you're going through treatment, it's after treatment, it doesn't matter. Everybody goes through their own struggles, and we're here to support you going through that journey. A little bit of self-care really does go a long way when you're going through a difficult time, and taking that time out for you to come in here and let someone else take care of you really can help through this difficult time. So you can pick up the phone at any stage, give us a call, check out our website. We're on Facebook and Instagram. We also work on WhatsApp if you just don't feel like picking up the phone. And you can come in and meet with me and I'll talk you through the services. Some people find it really hard to make that first initial contact with us, particularly men, but once they get in the door they absolutely love it here, and we're really welcoming of men, women, children, so we're all inclusive, and just make that first step and check it out and you won't be sorry that you made the first move to come in here.